Welcome to Art Academics. My name is Cody, and I'll be your teacher today. Let's get started. First, you'll need 4.2 fluid ounces of linseed oil. I like to use refined linseed oil, but regular linseed oil will work. Also, 4.2 fluid ounces of Damar Varnish, 33.8 ounces, 1 liter of Oderless Mineral Spirits. I like to use Gamsol, which is made by Gamblin. I like Gamblin Company. It's a nice company. Also, you could use a very popular one is terpenoid. That's what most people use. Then you also will need 32 ounce glass container with a stopper or lid. This is to hold all the medium as you're mixing it. You'll need this. This is big time, okay? You'll also need a small glass container. This holds your medium. So while you're painting, you're going to be putting a brush in there with paint and touching the medium. You don't want to dirty up your full amount that you mix, so you have this separate little jar. I like to use a jar with a lid so that way it just stays there. But a lot of people use the painter's cups that you can buy at art supply stores. And then don't forget a small funnel. This is what the products look like. Our formula is 1 part linseed oil, 1 part Damar Varnish, and 4 parts Oderless Mineral Spirits. Here is how it's done. First, we pull the stopper out of our medium container. I like to use a whiskey bottle because it is a good stopper on top. Then we put the funnel on the top. We pour our entire bottle of linseed oil into the medium container. That bottle now will become our measuring tool for the rest of our pours. So we put the funnel on the top of the linseed oil container and we pour the Damar Varnish part into that, up to the same amount that the liquid was in before. Then we pour that into the medium container. Now we have our second part in. So that's 1 part linseed oil, 1 part Damar Varnish. Now we gotta pour 4 parts of the Oderless Mineral Spirits. So here we go. Don't forget to remember to count. And the order that we're doing this, using linseed oil first, then Damar Varnish, then the Oderless Mineral Spirits, this is also a great way of cleaning your container as you go. So by the time I'm done with all of this, the Oderless Mineral Spirits dry really fast. So after a couple of minutes of it just sitting off to the side, it'll be dry and clean and be ready to just be put away. So how many parts was that? Let's see here. Is this the last one? I think so. I think this is the 4th one. So it's 1 part linseed oil, 1 part Damar Varnish, and 4 parts Oderless Mineral Spirits. Shake it up, make sure it's mixed up really well, and ta-da, there's your medium. Now that our medium's finished, we can pour it into a separate container and we're ready to paint. Thanks for watching.